Good morning, student. Today I discuss mail merge. Today I discuss mail merge, chapter 3 for class 7. The first chapter I discuss the first chapter I discuss what is the mail merge. First chapter discuss introduction part of the mail merge. What is the mail merge? Today I discuss how mail merge work. Today I discuss how mail merge works. This is the second part of the video. My dear student, the mail merge has two type of the document format. First document format is known as data source. And second document is main document. Today this topic name how mail merge works. So there are two formats in the mail merge for data source and the second main document. These data sources of the mail merge are related to phone number, name, addresses, phone number are related to name, addresses, phone number which you want to merge. Which you want to merge. This data sources is basically the bulk data in a structured format. This is basically bulk data in a structured format. This is the data source. Data source name, address, phone number which you want to merge. And this is basically the bulk data in a structured format. Second, main document. The document that contain the text and graphics. Main document this document contains text and graphics that are same for each version of the merge document. This is the two main part, data sources and the main document. Main document related to text and the graphics, and the data source related to name, addresses, phone number, etc. My third topic, how to start mail merge. how to start mail merge. First number, in a first point, in a blank MS document, in a blank MS Word document, you choose the blank MS Word document, click on the mailing tab, click on the mailing tab, and in the start mail merge group, and in the start mail merge group. How to start mail merge? Then first of all, you open to the blank document of the MS Word. Second, click on the mailing tab, and the third, and it start mail merge group. You just click on the mail merge tab, then the all over criteria is open. Second point, click a step by step mail merge wizard. Click a step by step mail merge wizard. This is the second option. This is the third option. Select your document type. Select your document type. Fourth, select the starting document. Select the starting document. Fifth point, select recipients. Fifth point, I write down the fifth point. Select the recipients. And the last point, write the letter. Write the letter and add custom field. Write the letter and add custom fields. This is the mail merge. How to mail merge and how to start mail merge. There are two mail document. First, data source and the main document, and this is the step by step. Tomorrow class, I will show the every step in practical session. Thank you so much.